हेलो बच्चों, गुड मॉर्निंग। हाउ आर यू माय डियर्स? हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। Dear students, class 9th and your topic was on progress. Your topic models was on progress. Models can, could, may, might. Completed. Okay, class 9th and the class is especially for the students who belong to English medium schools. Okay dear students, models we will study will and shall. Will and shall. These two models are used in future tense. These two models are used in future tense. What are the moods that we use? THREAT, threat. PROMISE, promise. ORDER, order. ORDER, order. Certain, certainly. Sure, surely. Okay. Definite, DEFI NITELY, definitely or definite. But mind it, my dear students, if the subject is I and we, then we use will, and rest of the subject we will use shall. I will talk to you a little in Hindi. प्यारे बच्चों, ये कुछ आपके मूड्स हैं। कहने का मतलब आज हम क्या पढ़ रहे हैं? विल और शैल। गा, गी, गे फ्यूचर टेंस में इनका जिक्र होता है। थ्रेट, धमकी, प्रॉमिस, वायदा, ऑर्डर, आदेश, सर्टेन, सर्टेनली, निश्चित रूप से, श्योर, श्योरली, डेफिनेटली। ये यदि मूड आते हैं तो हम विल शैल का प्रयोग करेंगे, लेकिन आपको ध्यान रखना है विल और शैल का प्रयोग करते समय सब्जेक्ट का अवश्य ध्यान रखना है। यदि आपका कर्ता आई या वी आता है तो हम आई वी के साथ में विल लगाते हैं और शेष कर्ताओं के साथ क्या लगाएंगे? शैल। मतलब फ्यूचर टेंस में हम आई वी के साथ शैल लगाएंगे और बाकी के साथ विल लगाएंगे, लेकिन मॉडल पढ़ते समय आई और वी के साथ क्या लगाओगे? विल, और शेष कर्ताओं के साथ क्या लगाओगे? शैल। चलिए, हेयर वी विल टेक सम एग्जाम्पल्स। Examples are here. I kill you. Threat. He Sunday means promise. These are two sentences, dear students. In the first sentence, I am threatening that I will kill you. I will kill you. Then you will use the modal will. I will kill you. It is threat. धमकी है, मैं तुम्हें मार दूंगा। और नीचे वाले में क्या है? ही कम ऑन संडे, इट इज और इट वॉज हिज प्रॉमिस, इट इज हिज प्रॉमिस दैट he shall come on Sunday. Means here to express any promise we use will or shall. But my dear students, here subject is he, then you will use shall. He shall come on Sunday. This is your examples of shall and will. Next is should, should. Should. What are the moods of should? We use should, we use should as the past tense, as the past tense of shall. In these moods, if the sentence is of past tense, then we will use should as the past tense of shall. What will be the past tense of shall? Should. And we use should to express moral duty, advice, suggestion. These are moods, my dear students. These are all moods. Okay, moral duty, first mood, second is duty, third is advice, suggestion, proposal. To express these moods, we always use should. Modal should means as the past tense of shall, in present tense or past tense to express moral duty, advice, suggestion, proposal. I will tell you the Hindi translation of these words. Moral duty नैतिक कर्तव्य, ड्यूटी माने कर्तव्य, एडवाइस माने सलाह, सजेशन माने सुझाव और प्रपोजल मीन्स होता है प्रस्ताव. ओके, चलते हैं. वी विल टेक सम एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ शुड. Examples are given here. You respect your elders. It is our moral duty that we should respect our elders, or elders should be respected. We should respect our teachers, we should respect our parents. It is our duty, it is our duty. So it is our duty and it is our moral duty. To express moral duty we use ought to also. Ought to. Okay, here we will take you should respect your elders, and to express suggestion we also use you are ill, you should consult a doctor. Suggestion. To express suggestion, we use should. Okay, dear students, here we will take one more. One more model. Note means ought to. We use ought to in place of. We use ought to in place of should. My dear students, to express moral duty, to express suggestion, we should use ought to. Example is a book ought not to be read for mere amusement. It is the advice. Means to say, the moods which expresses or for the moods we use should model. In place of should, you can use the model ought to. Okay dears, these are your examples of models, and I have taught you model will, shall, should and ought to. 4 models have been completed here in today's class. I think you have learnt all these 4 of the models. Please copy the sentences from the blackboard. Okay dears, I think you are very well at your home. I wish you a bright future and finish my class here. Thank you.